That is it, people. Yeah, we're outside in Wales today. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, so good vibes. Yeah, we've done a show last night. I'll show you a clip of that. And then we thought with some waterfalls and stuff close by, so I thought, yeah, let's check it out. But look at this place.
When the fuck Lucy
Actually amazing. Beautiful little place. Yeah, so we're just gonna get some food. And now there's little mountains and waterfalls everywhere. It's really nice, man. So we're gonna get some food, people. We got on the menu Welsh cake, jam split, currant square, Aber, mad ting. Yeah, some new things in there still. Yeah. But you say you reckon it's local cheese?
Oh,
but this
local cheese.
panini's really nice.
That's what makes the difference.
Yeah.
The local cheese.
Yes! So we come to some waterfalls, people. Yeah? Good vibes. Look at that, people. Amazing, look at that. Wow. Mad thing, fam, innit? Look at that. Views. Yo. Man, forgot man was in the UK for a minute. Mad thing. Steering over there. Madness, people. Look at that. It's beautiful. Yeah. Beautiful, isn't it? Proper nice, man. Yeah.
Yeah, fam.
Yeah. I know.
One look at barbecue.
I know.
One look at barbecue would have done it for us.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But you know what? We can all our vibes same way. Look, we're climbing up, people.
Yeah, you should have, you know.
Where's the Emma? This one's a beautiful walk. We have to take with time, yeah. The place so nice and look so sweet. We have to take with time, yeah. A good vibe, you know.
Valleys you are walking. Oh my God, look at this, people. Look at that. Yeah, it's beautiful. Don't even feel like we're in the UK. I know we're not in actually England, but yeah. Good vibes, man. Look at that. Gee, views. You know the news.
Fucking lively. Ring no vision. This crowd is lively. They should make some noise for themselves. Make some noise for yourself, you all go on good. Listen, we just travelled about 7 buckle hours. Yo! I smoked about 44 spliffs. Yeah. I only put things are going. Ring no vision, one decision. You don't know that the G them there. Empress, pick up yourself. Alright, let's test out the crowd. Let's go.
So if you've never been to Wales, they've actually got their own language, as you can see. So that's in English and that's in Welsh. Mad thing. But yeah, look, this equipment records the reserved weather. See there? Cool, isn't it? Looks like something out of a movie, fam. Isn't it?
Tornado.
Yeah. Yeah. Outside. Crazy. I'm even in the, as we were just saying, in the middle of a mountain, and man's still getting recognised, blood. There's people down there taking pictures with man.
You know what I'm saying?
It's mad. And man got some water.
Man's worldwide.
That is it. Even in the mountains.
In the mountains.
That is it. Mad, innit? Mad, bro. Not in the UK anyway. You can see people in the distance. There's the waterfall. We've been walking for about 40 minutes or something like that. But yeah, it's a beautiful, beautiful place. We soon reach. Look at that. We see you're now going to climb that one there, Ingo. You can see all the stones that have just fallen down.
Mad, look, we're right here at the mountain foot. Right there, look.
Any one of them can drop at any time, innit?
No, Jack, man.
You don't think so?
Nah. Look, we've got the waterfall there in the background. Wow.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Let's go.
People, I told you that we've got something to show you today, yeah?
Mad thing. Look at this, people, man. Your eyes can't, like, it's like mad to just take it in. It's like a VR. It's like your eyes can't take the whole picture in.
If you look at me at 1 minute, I thank God with a fucking ear. Before I'm fucking up, people want to let me in. I said, think I said you want to get me in. Pull up that motherfucker. 1, 2, 3. Look out, that is it, people.
Reach. That is it, look at that. Ready, people? All right, we're gonna count down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Look at that. Oh my days. Beautiful. Look at that, people. Aber Falls. Amazing. Let's just take that in for a minute. Oh, the active before I is done. Yo, we reach. Mad thing, people. Whole side fully active. You hear that?
With the bomb, oh, the blood clot is. Oh, the bomb, oh, the blood clot is. Fight back over the bomb for clarity. I want a bomb now. I want a blood clot is. I want a bomb. I want a blood clot is. I want a bomb.
go across the bridge now to go to the other side. Yeah. Ringo's just got in the water up there. Sheep. Man, they're chilling.
I need my thing like this. Look, this is the good.
I just went in there, people. That is cold. That is seriously cold down there, I'm telling you. Yeah. That is it, people. We have left the waterfall now. I mean, you should press the like button and subscribe really and truly, because otherwise it would have just been me singing Pussy Turn Red in the club last night. So, good vibes. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Outside, big up yourself. Make sure you go and check out Ringo Vision's channel. Do the right thing, man. Big up yourself, people. You hear that? The next mission now, people. Yeah, we are, it's some burial chamber. Something like that. It looks like a little pyramid. You're gonna find that. We're in a different place now. I couldn't tell you what it's called. It's a different language, but. All right, people, so some information here. The people of, who built, read it. This tomb around 5,000 years ago, where farmers may be having an accurate calendar to plan when to sow and harvest crops was important for their success. Yeah. Bryn Sally Doodoo. Yeah.
So I've reached it.
To the Welsh language. Yeah, so this is it here, people. Oh. There we go. Ah. Madness. I wonder if you can go inside there. You can go inside?
Yeah.
So look. There you go. We're inside. That is it.
Inside, my brother.
Yeah.
In the cave, you know?
Mad thing.
Yeah, and inside. Bury yourself.
Yeah, you have to leave some offerings. Yeah, you have to leave some offering or something, my boys. You have to leave something with them, man. That there looks scary, blood.
Yeah, that's
what are these things?
Let me put up my thing right there. Yeah, come from London.
Look, if you see Ringo, look, people have left stuff, look. Like some offerings or something.
Okay.
Look at this, it looks spooky.
Wow. So I've come here and it's very interesting because people have left all different sorts of stuff. Look, as you can.
This looks like snakeskin. Or it's a pepperoni wrapper. One of the two. A grass, it might be a grass snake, yeah. Spooky. Holds a number of old unsolved mysteries. We don't know how many people originally buried in a tomb. It remained open for many hundreds of years, suffered from erosion and disturbance. Oh my God.